A room tour of room 421 at Ocean Club West in Providenciales, Turks and Caicos. And this is a one-bedroom unit. When you first walk in, you have the living room to your right. You have the kitchen straight in front of you. And then down the hall is where you're going to have the bedroom and bathrooms. So there are actually two bathrooms in this unit. You have a half bath in the hall that has a mirror with a single sink right here. Not a ton of storage space, but that's fine because generally you're not going to be hanging out in here. And of course there is a toilet. That said, you do have storage in this cabinet if you would like to use that. Then coming this direction, you're going to have the bedroom that does have a king size bed in here, as well as nightstands on both sides of the bed for you to use. And then in your closet, you're going to have a safe, which is great. You've got plenty of hangers over here. There are extra pillows up on this piece of it. There is an iron and an ironing board directly underneath it if you bring clothes you need to iron. And then of course you do have a laundry basket, and we'll talk about why in a moment, as well as a luggage rack in here. For the safe, just so that you know, this key reader does not work. It's been filled in. So you are going to do a code. You can do 4 to 6 digits. You can put like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then press lock on this side, and that will lock it for you. Use a more creative code, however. And then you're gonna press 1, 2, 3, 4, or whatever more creative code you use to unlock it. Inside the safe, you can see this is a pretty good size safe in here. So you're gonna be able to fit your laptop, your passports, your wallets, your jewelry, whatever it is that you need to keep safe and secure while you're here in this. And also, just so you know, this is a light for the closet. If you'd like to have a little bit more light, it's just a string pull right there. I will also explain these windows in just a moment as we continue on through, but I will mention also that there is a television here in the bedroom, as well as a bureau. And then this is the second bathroom. So here you're going to have a little bit of a larger mirror. There is, again, just the one sink here, but there is a lot of counter space within this bathroom. There is also a shelf that is directly over here, so you've got even more storage space. You do, of course, have the toilet right here. And then you also are going to have a walk-in shower. There are plenty of places to go ahead and hang the towels or other wet items if you don't want to put them on the towel rack or the hanging clothes rack outside. And there is a porthole window, but again, you can see, like, you really can't see through this. It just lets a little bit of light in. There is a walk-in shower. There is no shower door that you need to close, but it does include the bath mat inside here, as well as your shampoo, your conditioner, and your shower gel. This unit just has the one control. So you're just going to turn it on. The further you turn it, the water gets warmer, and then it does have the single shower piece right here for the shower head. Also in the unit, you are going to find plenty of storage space here. And then also in this drawer is where you're going to find the hair dryer. This is a Remington. It doesn't look like it's super high powered, but it's a reasonable, not super cheap, going to not dry your hair dryer. And it does also have a diffuser attachment for this one, but depending upon what you do with your hair when you style it, especially on vacation, that may be sufficient for you, or you may want to bring your own, but at least you know. And then we are right outside the bedroom. In this closet right here actually is where you're going to find a washer and dryer, which is what I was going to share with you previously, why you have the laundry basket. So it is a stacked washer and dryer. The dryer is on top, and then it is a washing machine below. And you do have 2 units of the detergent. It is all free and clear, which works great for me because I don't like scents, and scents do not like me. There is also your thermostat right here, so you can control the temperature. And then coming into the living area, you're going to have a desk right here with the telephone as needed. You do also have another television out here if you would like. And then you're going to have a sectional sofa with plenty of seating at this point, and also another table that allows you to seat 4 right here. And with this sectional sofa, I do want to point out as well that this is a sleeper sofa, so you can have people sleep out here if you have additional guests as well. When you are here, you're going to notice that there is a slider right here. This is a double slider because this is a corner unit. And then there is also a double slider right here as well. So you can get plenty of really great breeze when you've got nice weather for evenings, or in some months all day long. There is also just one set of curtains right here. So these are pretty sheer. They're going to let in light, but no one will be able to see inside. So if you are sensitive to the light, this particular unit might not be the best one for you. You do outside on your deck have a seating for 4 again out here. Great place to play cards in the evening, have your dinner and so forth, as well as 2 chase lounges right here. And then you do also have a fan with a light as well as another light, so there's plenty of light to enjoy in that season. When you are coming over here, I just want to point out too that these are all screened in, so you don't have to worry about having bugs come in with you while you're enjoying the area outside, but you've got kind of a nice view of the garden and the pool as well. I will point out that that gazebo right there, that is where you go to grill your items if you would like to cook and grill while you're here. So with the slider, it's a double slider. You just pull and then it will catch the second door. And then as you catch the second door, you just keep right on going. And then this one is unlocked, and then you just turn it straight down for your door to actually lock. And then you can go ahead and close these curtains if you would like, or leave them open depending upon your preference. The slider on this side works exactly the same way. And then also you're going to have a mirror, and then I promised to show you these windows. So these are also screens. So again, you don't have to worry about having any bugs come in with you. There's an upper and a lower operation. You turn clockwise and that opens these, so you can let light or air in depending upon what you would prefer. And then you just turn it back around in the other direction like this and close that up tight when you're running the air conditioning. So continuing on to the kitchen, you have a lovely island that does have 2 seats right here. And then you also are going to have an electric stove and oven, as well as a microwave right up on top. There is also your blender that is here, a large beautiful sink. You're going to have a full-size dishwasher, as well as your toaster and your coffee maker, which includes the coffee for you to make in the morning and the accoutrement that you may need as well. There is also a full refrigerator and freezer so that you can have all of your food prepared here. If you'd like to eat out, you're obviously more than welcome to do so, but if you prefer to cook inside, you can do that as well. Because when you start opening up the drawers and the cabinets in here, you'll find that there's really pretty much everything that you may need to cook. So again, there's pots and pans and pot holders. There are, oops, that one actually is empty. Cutlery, knives, everything that you may need. And then even continuing on, you're gonna find strainers. You're gonna find beautiful Lazy Susan. Those ones are empty, of course, but you're gonna have all the glasses and dishes that you need. And there are plenty of them here, so you don't need to run your dishwasher necessarily after each meal, which I'm on vacation, I appreciate that piece of it. But you're also gonna have, like you can see, casseroles and casserole dishes and so forth, which is awfully helpful, as well as then coming over here is where you're gonna find plates and dishes and mugs and so forth. And I will point out too that these are melamine, so they're not gonna break right away. And again, when I'm traveling, I appreciate that I don't have to worry about that piece of it. And that is the 1-bedroom suite at Ocean Club West in Turks and Caicos in Providenciales. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Otherwise, enjoy your stay.